Need to sync contact on Duolingo to connect with friends but not sure how? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will guide you through syncing your contacts on Duolingo. Let's get started. First, open Duolingo on your device. Look for the avatar icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom of this page. You will see a section labeled Find Friends on Duolingo. Tap on the Sync Contact button below it. Finally, tap Allow to give Duolingo permission to sync your contacts. And that's it. You have successfully synced contacts on Duolingo. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.